Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and today's video is a bit of a rerun from an old Yieldnodes review. Well, it's not that old, so we released it in September, but obviously we have seen a lot of things happening on the Decenomy, so the Sapphire coins, and Sapphire coins and the profits that we made over the first 2 months was in this particular video that you see on the screen here. But we've decided now, because there's a lot of people that are looking for these how-to videos, to create a separate playlist for this, only with the Sapphire coins, and also later on with the rest of the Decenomy coins. So because we've seen a lot of access now to the different coins through 2 extra exchanges, and obviously we want to make it a bit more accessible and easy to start off with. So that's the reason why we've done this. So go and have a look at it, see the profits. For the ones that haven't seen the Yieldnodes, this is a 2-year birthday for Yieldnodes party, and where they ended up with 968% of profit when it was compounded over the last 2 years. So, but for the Sapphire one, enjoy the video and see you on the next one. Bye-bye. So if we go back for a second, and we now discuss so Sapphire, and we'll go over and see how you can get into this, because you can get your money paid out in Sapphire. And what you need to start with is you need to download a Sapphire wallet. Most of the normal exchanges will not have this, so you need to download this wallet instead, set it up. We do have a video of where we've done this, so I'll put the video in the description below so you can follow that one too. So, but basically when you push the button here, then it will provide you with a home page that looks like this, and it'll tell you a bit about the Sapphire, so the coin and the ecosystem, the community behind it, and whatever else news is here, coin specifications, and you'll find your wallet here for the Windows, for the Apple Mac, and for Linux also. So basically you download it, and fairly easy to set it up. A lot of people also ask me, so where can we then use it? And in the past, we know that we can actually use Sapp to pay for Netflix, and that's in the same video as I will put in the description there. So you can pay a range of items. So, and you can also go to these particular exchanges. So there are 4, and there's even more. So if we go to iHost FM afterwards, you'll see that there's multiple places where we can get this done. But these are the major ones, so you can have a closer look at them and see exactly how that works. Partners down here, and as I mentioned, the iHost MN is for masternoding and shared masternoding, and that's also what we're going to have a look at and see exactly how our Sapp has developed over the last couple of months. And yeah, that's it. Exciting stuff. The community channels down here is Discord and Twitter, and also Telegram. And we use Telegram at the moment, and you can get your support all the way through there. So let's go and have a look at iHost MN, just to see exactly how this has been going on for the last 2 months. So once you're set up and arrive, we at iHost MN, so you'll arrive at the dashboard, and you have a couple of options. So either you go to the Masternoding hosting, and in this particular you need a lot of coins. So this is your own Masternode to run. So and if we look at the Sapphire, which is down here, it requires 200,000 Sapp, so quite a lot of money for this particular one, but obviously great rewards, and you can see there's plenty of coins here. the way this works is there is several support channels and announcements, and you basically click on these links on the websites also, and support on the Discord here, and you can go in and see exactly how you can obtain some of these coins, as they are all a bit different depending on what stage of development they're also in. The one that is mostly for most of us that might not have enough money in there to do a full Masternode, you can go in and you can share part of this one. And we'll find the Sapphire in here. At the moment, you can see the return on the investment has been again pretty stable over the last weeks, so 68%. So it used to be down in the mid 40s, then it jumped to more than 100%, and now it seems to have stabilized here, which is not bad at all. So you basically click the link that you want to have here, and then you set up your deposit address. And over on this particular site, you can then see the amount of Sapp that you have in here. You can see the amount earned, the withdrawal, which is none, the share of the full Masternode that you have. So, and basically the deposit value, the estimated daily earnings at the moment, so which is about €3, and then estimated monthly earnings, which is currently around €97, and that's for this full amount, 5,200. So that is a reasonable amount back, but what is even more interesting, of course, is also how the Sapp coin continues to move up, and there's a bit more money to be had with that. So let's have a quick look and see how the statistics look at the moment. So in this particular one, you can see that we're looking way back here, so a couple of years. And you can now see that since Yieldnodes has taken this project over, the coin price has slowly but surely gone up. And you can see the price both in Bitcoin and also the price in Euro. And it's now 0.335 right now. When we took the Sapp coins out a few months back, it was actually at 0.2. So already now you can see it's the coin alone is more than 50% up, plus what we're making on the Masternoding. So that is absolutely great. So this is a great site. It delivers several times a day. You can continue to see your Masternoding share and your profits as they are being updated. So by all means, go and have a look at it. So let's have a quick look exactly how the math is looking at this. Obviously it's not so simple, but because we have done a few deposits, then some things worked and not others. So at the end of the day, we started off 4th of July, so with 3,947. At that particular time it was at 0.2 euros. And then we had a correction later on, 1 month later, because obviously at 0.2 euros we should have 5,000 Sapp in total. So that was corrected. So the initial starting point is 5,000. After there, the Sapp staking didn't really work that well at all, especially with the small amounts, which I have commented on also in the news studio last time. So we moved all the Sapp coins, so about a week ago or so, over to the shared Masternoding. So we only managed the Sapp staking of 40 Sapp that worked after the new wallet part, and that was pretty much it. And then from there on we have made 215 Sapp on the shared Masternode. So all in all, over those 2 months, it has come down to around 255. And if we take the latest exchange, it's 0.335, so around 85 euros we made so far over 2 months. That being said, it doesn't sound like much, but you have to remember also here that staking was not working. The shared Masternoding was closer to 44-45% at the time. So so that has also changed, as you can see. We are now in the 60% mark, and we even made more than 100% at one point. So let's see what it will be going forward. So if we started with 5,000 Sapp and now we have the 5,255, we're basically ending up with just 5.1% over 2 months, which in itself is not very impressive. But on the other hand, with all the issues that we had, 5.1 is not bad for 2 months for sure. If we then take this in, at the end of the day, the value has gone up from the coin, and that's where obviously you get some massive gains. So the 5,225 Sapp now with the new exchange has gone up, and it's 1,750, which basically relates back to 75% profit in 2 months. So absolutely massive, yeah. So that's the calculation. So you can see both Yieldnodes and shared Masternode is working very well, and obviously we'll continue to monitor this and tell you how we go in the future video. So until next time, yeah, see you around. Bye bye.